What is Google Opinion Rewards? Google Opinion Rewards is a program that allows people to earn money by completing surveys. The program is run by Google, and users can sign up for it through the Google Play Store. Once signed up, users will start receiving surveys on a regular basis. These surveys can be about anything, from user habits to opinions on current affairs. The amount of money that can be earned through Google Opinion Rewards varies depending on the length and complexity of the survey. However, most surveys pay between 10 cents and $1. This may not seem like much, but it can add up over time if you complete a lot of surveys. There are some people who claim that Google Opinion Rewards is a scam. They argue that the surveys are often too short and don't pay enough money. They also claim that it's impossible to cash out your earnings, as there is no way to withdraw them from the system. In this video, I will show you how if Google Opinion Rewards is a scam. How does Google Opinion Rewards work? Google Opinion Rewards is a program that allows users to earn money by completing surveys. The program is free to join, and users can cash out their earnings through PayPal. Once you have signed up for Google Opinion Rewards, you will start receiving survey invitations via email. These invitations will come from Google, and will contain a link to the survey. Once you have completed the survey, you will be given a certain amount of credit, which will be deposited into your Google Play Store account. The amount of credit you receive for each survey will vary, but you can typically expect to receive around 50 cents worth of credit for each one. Signing up for Google Opinion Rewards. Signing up for Google Opinion Rewards is quick and easy. Simply download the app from the Google Play Store and create an account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to start taking surveys and earning rewards. The survey process is straightforward. You'll receive a notification on your phone when a survey is available. When you open the app, you'll see the question and a few possible answers. Choose the answer you feel is most accurate and submit your response. Surveys are typically short, taking only a minute or two to complete. And you'll be rewarded for your time with Google Play Store credit, which can be used to purchase apps, games, music, movies, and more. Earning money with Google Opinion Rewards. First, it's important to note that Google Opinion Rewards is only available in select countries. Currently, the program is available in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and India. If you don't live in one of these countries, you won't be able to sign up for the program. Second, Google Opinion Rewards is only available for Android devices. If you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to use the program. Third, you need to have a Google account in order to sign up for Google Opinion Rewards. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. Fourth, it's important to remember that you won't get rich by completing surveys for Google Opinion Rewards. The surveys are typically short, and they only pay a few cents each. However, the earnings can add up over time, and it's a great way to earn some extra pocket money. Overall, Google Opinion Rewards is a legitimate program that allows users to earn money by completing surveys. The program is free to join, and it's available in select countries. If you have an Android device and a Google account, you can sign up for the program and start earning money. What some people claim about Google Opinion Rewards. Some people claim that Google Opinion Rewards is a scam, because they believe that the app does not give users enough money for their time. Others argue that the app is not a scam, because it is free to use and provides users with an easy way to earn money. Is Google Opinion Rewards a scam? There are a few things to keep in mind when considering whether or not Google Opinion Rewards is a scam. First, the program is free to join, so there's no initial investment required. Second, you're only paid for surveys that you complete, so you're not risking any money by participating. Third, the amount of money you can earn is relatively small, usually just a few dollars per survey, so it's not likely that anyone would be motivated to scam people out of such a small amount of money. Overall, it seems unlikely that Google Opinion Rewards is a scam. However, as with any online earning opportunity, it's always best to be cautious and do your own research before signing up for anything. My personal experience with Google Opinion Rewards. I have been using Google Opinion Rewards for a few months now, and I can say that it is a great way to earn some extra money. I usually get around $1-2 per survey, which may not seem like much, but it adds up over time. The surveys are usually very quick and easy to do, and they cover a variety of topics. I would definitely recommend Google Opinion Rewards to anyone looking for a way to earn some extra cash.